We got some great news for Nvidia stock investors as the company said that it's likely going to be able to sell its H20 GPUs in China again after getting a nod from the US government. Right, so Nvidia stock jumped by more than 4% in early trading on Tuesday after the AI chipmaker said it was applying to resume sales of its H20 GPUs in China following a US ban that cost the company billions in dollars. In a blog post on Monday, Nvidia said it was filing the application, and the US government assured Nvidia that licenses will be granted. The company said that it hopes to start deliveries soon. Very interesting, right? Remember when Nvidia first announced that the government was restricting its sales of the H20 GPUs into China? Nvidia said that it could potentially cost the company $5 billion, and it took a $5 billion write down. Later, when the company actually reported financial results, it said that, okay, we've got more clarity on how much this is going to cost us, and it took a $4.5 billion write down. That's how important this market is for China. That's how important the Chinese market is for Nvidia, and the return to sales in that region has huge implications longer term. Nvidia has repeatedly introduced lower priced versions of its AI chips for the Chinese market to comply with tightening US export controls. The company began sales of its H20 GPUs, a less powerful version of its prior Hopper chips, to China in 2024. Then, the Trump administration in April implemented a ban on sales of the H20 chips for China, a surprise that sent Nvidia's stock price downward. The move cost the company $2.5 billion in lost sales in the first quarter, which ended April 27th, and Nvidia projected an additional $8 billion loss in sales in the second quarter. Wow. So this potentially annualized could be roughly $32 billion sales opportunity for Nvidia if we project that $8 billion it was expecting to earn in the second quarter and annualize it. That could mean $32 billion in sales for Nvidia from these GPUs.
Click the link below to watch the full video.